Welcome to the lightly updated 2022 Isuzu D-Max. This is the flagship X-Terrain model, painted in vivid volcanic amber orange, which is a $650 option. It looks hot, and it's paired with black highlights for that fashionable, darkened contrast theme. We still think it looks quite modern, the D-Max, and on trend for this segment, with nice panel contours and uninterrupted lines giving it a clean yet muscular stance. No major changes are made for the 2022 X-Terrain, other than a new tow bar receiver now coming standard. The payload capacity is rated at 935 kilograms for this model, which is pretty average for this class, while the gross combination mass has been increased by 50 kilograms, so now it's 6,000 kilograms. The braked towing capacity remains at the maximum 3.5 tons. The X-Terrain comes standard with a roller shutter for the cargo bed to help keep items secure. As before, the D-Max uses a heavy-duty 3-leaf rear suspension system, and the X-Terrain comes with a rear diff lock. Ride comfort is pretty good for this class. It's not too jiggly or bouncy, well, compared with some rivals. Even on the dirt, the ride remains decent, absorbing bumps and corrugations with ease. There's also reasonable suspension flex or wheel travel, allowing you to take on moderately tough terrain. Some underbody protection is also fitted, giving you a level of peace of mind. Isuzu switched to highway terrain tyres a few years ago, and these remain for 2022. They aren't ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts, but they are quieter on the road. They also offer superior braking performance over the old all-terrain tyres. It also handles quite well on-road, offering good body stability. The steering feels nice as well and predictable, which is important in a big long vehicle like this. Unfortunately, there is only a rear-view camera as standard, while some of the competitors are now offered with a surround-view camera system. Straight after this X-Terrain, we also sampled the new LSU Plus. We'll have a separate written review for that coming soon, but we thought we might as well include the performance tests in the same video for you. The new variant has been brought in to slot between the X-Terrain and the LSU, bringing added features and goodies over the regular LSU. It looks pretty much the same, with the same 18-inch alloy wheels. Inside though, you get leather accented upholstery, heated front seats, and 8-way power adjustment for the driver. Back to the X-Terrain, the update includes some changes for the interior as well. You might notice the red stitching, which is new, heated front seats, and a blacked out instrument cluster. The update also adds heated door mirrors, black trims for the center console and climate vents, while the steering wheel welcomes a handy button that turns the lane support systems off. Passenger space and comfort remains at a high level for this class, and the driving position is good, with a tilt and reach adjustment for the steering column. Rear passengers get their own climate vents and a USB port, while a handy shopping hook is integrated into the back of the front passenger seat. You also get cup and bottle holders to provide great long-distance touring convenience. Under the bonnet is the trusty 4JJ 3-litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. With 140 kilowatts and 450 newton meters, it's not the most powerful out there, but it gets the job done. Fuel economy is quite good too, rated at 8 litres per 100 kilometres. In terms of performance, we managed to slightly improve on our previous 0 to 100 time. This is what they go like.